Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. My name is Prosper. So in this video, I'm going to be giving you an honest review on Zoho Booking. So if you are wondering what Zoho Booking is, Zoho Booking is actually a booking platform that allows you as a business owner or a solopreneur or a service provider to be able to accept booking and an appointment from your customers or clients based on the services that you provide. And basically, Zoho itself is a very wide platform that offers a wide range of other services apart from booking, but booking itself is just one of the services that it offers. So that's what we are going to be looking at in the course of this video. So guys, before we go into the video fully, if you are new to this channel, kindly take out time to click on that subscribe button. It's actually free to subscribe, so just go ahead right now and click on that subscribe button. All right, so thank you very much if you have just done that, and if you are still here to, please just take out time to click on that subscribe button just below the video. All right, so thank you very much if you have just subscribed. So with that, now let's get into the video proper. All right, so right now I'm on Zoho's page. So as you can see here, so to come over to this page, you can just use the link shown on your screen or just check the description of this video. You find a link to come over to this page. Like I said, Zoho itself, it's a platform that offers a wide range of services. So if you even look at it from here, you see that they have a whole lot of other services that they provide. So can say booking is just one of them. So for you to just come over to the booking page straight away, you can just use this link on the screen so that it's take you straight to Zoho Bookings. All right, so now let's take a look at Zoho, starting from the home page. So right there you can see online appointment scheduling made easy, smart, and swift. Okay, simple. Okay. Now, straight up, as you can see, take the 15 days free trial. So this is another great thing about Zoho. It offers you 15 days free trial to test their services and see if it's okay for you. But I can tell you that it has a whole lot of features and integrations and customization that makes it very easy for you to use. And apart from that, that makes it very highly recommendable for almost all kinds of services that you offer, all kinds of organizations that you run, and then you want to start accepting online appointments and bookings and the likes. Okay, so unlike some other platform that might just give you 7 days, and this offers you 15 days free trials, and the 15 days free trial comes without any credit card. Exactly, so you don't really need to put in your credit card details before you can get access to the 15 days free trial. Okay, so this here is letting you to see what your dashboard currently looks like. And by the way, I'm also going to be making another video immediately after this, which I'm going to be walking you through the process of creating an account, how to create some of those appointments, how to make sure you set up your account the right way, and giving you an overview of what it's going to look like when a client or a customer book an appointment with you, the kind of message you're going to receive, the emails, what it's going to look like, So if you want to see that tutorial also, do make sure I'll leave a link to it in the description of this video, okay? So that's like a complete tutorial on Zoho Bookings, how to set up the account and the likes. All right, so now let's continue with this. So this is what your dashboard currently looks like. So you're going to see something like this. On this side, you're going to see your account here, and then you're going to see all of these informations here. Judging by this, now you can see this is the time for appointment. This is the booking ID, the event type, the customer or the client, which is the user, and every other information. Then is it a free or a paid appointment, and all this kind of information, okay? All right, so you can see customization availability, share your booking link, and then get booked. So once you have take back your time with effortless appointment scheduling. So once you have set up your appointments, the process is very easy and very simple. Like I said, there is a separate tutorial for that. You find a link in the description. Okay, so you can see it has appointment scheduling with AI. Now, once you are setting up your accounts with Zoho Booking, with the first set of information that you provide, the system will be able to detect that, okay, this is the kind of service that you offer. And what they will do is that they're going to customize it in such a way to fit that your service that you offer. Okay, so if you look at this that is showing here now, if you choose others and then you just put in healthcare, for example, you can see it will go ahead and provide the best keywords that fits the kind of service that you tend to provide. Okay, so which is very great. You can see Zoho Bookings AI makes it even easier to start scheduling meetings. It contextually customizes your label for staff, resources, and meeting types in your appointment booking dashboard. Okay, so you're going to see more of that in the next video. Okay, so a scheduling app that works 24/7. So while you are attending to other things, Just let Zoho to handle your bookings for you, and your bookings and your meeting. Okay, so these are some other features. We are still going to take a look at them. Booking page, calendar synchronization, team scheduling, workspace setup, scheduling rules, meet online, update your CRM, notify and remind. So these are just some features. We are still going to take a look at each of them, and I'll tell you what they mean so that you can have an idea of what to expect with Zoho Booking. Okay, you can say 60 million appointments scheduled around the world. And then you can say schedule solution to scale your business. So this is healthcare, sales, and professional services. So let's you to know that if you offer professional services and you're looking forward to a system that allows you to accept bookings, accept appointments, and do meetings both online and offline, then Zoho Booking comes highly recommendable. Also, if you're into sales, and also you can make use of it. If you're also in the healthcare industry, then Zoho Booking comes highly recommendable. So if you come over here to look at the industries that they serve, you can see it here: professional service, sales, cleaning service, finance, education. So if you're also in the education, maybe you want to organize online lesson or tutorial for your students, it comes. If you're in the healthcare, which is pretty much self-explanatory. So if you're in the healthcare and you want to be doing maybe telemedicine, or you want to be accept appointments with your clients, you can easily, or with your patients, you can easily do that. If you're into real estate, you want to do appointments. If you're a freelancer too, you find Zoho Booking very flexible. Okay, for recruitment also, if you're into HR and you want to do recruitment or interview for an employee, now you can take advantage of Zoho to create a meeting, and then you do all the setup, which I'm going to be showing you in the other video. Then you see that it will be very convenient for you and also the person on the other end. So if you're finding value in this, please give the video a thumbs up. So these are just some reviews here. No doubt the software is very, very good. Okay, so you can see we swap from Calendar to Zoho Booking because of its easy integration with the other Zoho applications we use. Okay, so if you also make use of other Zoho applications, it just makes so much sense to also use Zoho for your bookings. Okay, and then more interestingly, they also have an app. Okay, so you can say manage appointment on the go. So you don't actually need to be to log into your browser all the time to check if you to check one or two things on your dashboard. With the app, it makes it much more easy and convenient, which is something which is a plus for me. Not all the booking software or the booking platform actually have an app. Okay, so but with Zoho, they have a app. So you can just download it to Apple and Play Store. So you can and Google Play. So you can also get that. All right, so these are some frequently asked questions, which I've mentioned some of them in the course of this video. Now let's look at one other thing that I also want us to look at is the features. Okay, let's take our time to look at some of the features that it has. Okay, so if you look at it here, so these are just some of them. I've mentioned, I think, one or two. We have different meeting types. With Zoho, you can create different meeting types. You can see here one-on-one meeting. You can create group meeting, collective meeting, and then resource booking. Okay, so that one-on-one means yourself and just one person. Okay, then group booking can be maybe yourself and a lot of other people. Can you understand? Maybe 2-3 people. That's like a group booking. Okay, collective. We also have collective booking, and then resource booking. Okay, and then for the scheduling rules, so you can customize. You can say manage your appointment with scheduling rules. You can say create a scheduling routine to decide how and when people can schedule meeting with you. Okay, so you can do it based on your availability, based on the user role, and a whole lot of that. Then let's look at integration. Now, in terms of integration, there are a lot of, you'll see it. Okay, there are a lot of other platform or other systems that you can integrate with Zoho Booking so that for you to get the best out of it. All right, so you can integrate it with calendar, with video conferencing, like the light of Zoom, okay, so that you can do a video meeting. Then you can integrate it with other payments gateway, which allows you to accept payments, and a whole lot of other integrations. Okay, so let me just open this so you're going to look at it. So then customization. Now, no doubt, if you look at the other video I did on the complete tutorial, you see that it's very easy to customize, pretty much straightforward. Unlike maybe some other ones that you'll be looking for some features here and there, but with Zoho it's pretty much straightforward. Even if you are not non-techie, exactly, you won't have problem setting up your Zoho account. Okay, and the AI feature I mentioned earlier, once you are setting it up from the beginning, it will automatically get that, okay, this is kind of service that you provide or that you offer, and then it's going to make it much more easier for you. Okay. All right. So this is for workflow. Now, basically, what the workflow is the ability for you to automate things. Okay. So with Zoho Booking now, you can automate a lot of things. Maybe once a client or a customer books an appointment with you, and then you can create a workflow that will say, okay, let me send it. You can say a reminder to the person, maybe a 30 minutes before the appointment, 1 hour or 24 hours. And then maybe immediately after the meeting, you want to send an automatic email to the person. Then maybe after a certain time, you want to just keep sending an automated emails, okay, or follow up, okay. So all these things, you can do them just once and then just leave it with Zoho, and then they're going to do the rest for you. Then you can also check your reports. And then they also have a mobile app. I mentioned that earlier. They also have a mobile app. So now with that now, let's also look at so this is just the integration that I made mention earlier. In terms of payment, you can integrate it with payments, with different payment systems so that you can accept payments. You can also customize it. You understand there are other options for you to customize your dashboard. And if you want to go advanced, you understand there's a CSS option within Zoho. That means if you are good with CSS and then you want to do some customization, you can do that with Zoho Booking. Okay. So like I said earlier, if you also have if you also use other Zoho apps, you can also integrate them easily with Zoho Bookings. Okay, so now let's look at the pricing. So in terms of pricing, this is what the pricing currently looks like. So for one user, although this pricing is currently in Naira, but you can just check it in your currency. I think based on my IP, that's why it's bringing out this pricing. So that's 4,620 for basic, and then the premium is 6,900. So this 4,620 is approximately $2.97, okay, in USD. All right. So which is very, 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 very affordable. Okay. So then if you scroll down, you'll be able to compare the plans. Like, okay, this is what you're going to get, and this is what you're not going to get. Okay. So all of this, you're going to find it here on the pricing page. Right, so now let me come back to the home page. So basically, that's just a summary of Zoho Booking. And so now, what do I think about Zoho Booking? Zoho Booking comes highly recommendable, no doubt, with all the features that I've seen with them. I've created a booking system with them, and I can tell you it is very easy to customize. It is affordable, and it is just one of those booking systems that will work for a whole lot of industries and services. Okay, either you are a solopreneur, you are an organization, a big company, you understand, you are just going to love it. Okay, so with that, guys, let me know what kind of service you offer, what kind of industry are you into, and what do you want to intend to do with Zoho Booking. Okay, so how do you think Zoho Booking will be of help to you? So let me know all of those in the comment section below. So guys, I hope you find value in this video. I hope this video answers your questions with respect to Zoho Booking. So if you want to see the other tutorial on how to create an account, how to set up your Zoho Booking and create the appointment, you'll find the link in the description. I think that video will be playing next immediately after this. And if you want to go ahead and just sign up, you understand, it's pretty much very easy. You can just go ahead and do that. Just use the link. You'll find the link to that also in the description of this video. So guys, thank you very much. I hope you find value in this video. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up. Do make sure you like and then you share the video. And with that, I'll see you all in another video. Bye for now.